Stop chasing random tickers. SwingMax Signal scans the entire market to find high risk reward swing trade opportunities for you. In just seconds, it filters thousands of stocks into clean setups that you can actually trade. Every signal comes with a full plan, your entry, your stop loss, and 2 profit targets. Risk is defined before you even enter the trade. When price hits the first target, you lock in partial profits. Winners keep running, and risk stays controlled. That's how disciplined swing trading works. During market hours, SwingMax keeps updating in real time, so you're always looking at live signals, not outdated ones. And the win rate isn't just a claim. You can see it for yourself in the closed trade records with real historical returns. You can scan the whole market or just your watch list. Link Telegram for instant alerts. Open SwingMax Signal and catch your next high risk reward swing before the move.